Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expression, restrict possible usernames. Usernames are used everywhere on the internet. They are what gives user a unique identity on their favorite sites. You need to check all the usernames in the database. Here are some simple rules that users have to follow when creating their username. Usernames can only use alphanumeric characters. So only alphanumeric. The only numbers in the username have to be at the end. There can be zero or more of them at the end. Username cannot start with number. So username cannot start with number. So in this case, let's go with a hyphen z and in with the digits asterisk and dollar for the in and caret for the start. Now, what other cases are there? Username letters can be lowercase or uppercase. So we use I flag for that. Usernames have to be at least 2 character long. 2 character long. So one character is this. Another character can be alphabet or digit. A 2 character username can only use alphabet letters as characters. So in the case it is 2 character, so then only alphabet. In case of 3 character, but so we have an or for that, a hyphen z, where there is digit at the second place and digit at the third place, and we should end it with a dollar symbol. That's about right. Let's run the test. Oh, something is missing. Oh, I have not put caret for starting with this. Let's run the test. Huh. What is missing now? Starting with A to Z. Okay. Here it should be one or more possibilities at least, not only one possibility. Uh, so let's again run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.